Hi, Progster here with another music technology demo video. Today's video is going to be of a combination of two softwares. The first one is Suggester software, which is an iOS app here running on my Apple iPad. The second one is Stephen K's KARMA Kronos, which is running on my PC and which you can see on the larger monitor towards the top of your screen. These two softwares work together very well. Suggester supplies a library of chords and generates MIDI. We have the MIDI, which is going out via the MIDI Mux app from the iPad into the PC, into KARMA Kronos software, which then groovifies it and sends it out to the KARMA Kronos keyboard, which I have off screen, and that's the keyboard that we're going to be hearing today. So I'd like to start with a short demonstration of the chord library in the Suggester software. I happen to think this is a fantastic feature for budding musicians, anybody who wants to study music, people who want to arrange and compose, etc. The reason I think this is so good is because Suggester gives us a large library of chords prearranged in a way that relates them all to the key that you're working in. Let me describe what I mean. Here we've defined the key of C. Now we can choose any key that we like, C for simplicity right now. Over here on the right hand side of the screen we have the library of chords supplied by Suggester for the key of C. Now this is a large set of chords starting with diatonic triads, going into diatonic seventh chords, and then expanding into other sets of chords that have a somewhat more distant relationship to the key. Here are our secondary dominant chords. Here are our secondary leading tone chords. We have a few extra particular chromatic chords. We have a whole set of other diatonic chords that are supplied, basically chords with extensions, add 2, add 9, add 6, and so forth like that. Then we have a whole set of suspended chords. Oh, I touched one. And so as you can see, a very large library of chords, all of which are related to the key in question. This allows you to explore in a structured way and to string chords together in progressions such that when you find something that sounds good, you'll know what it is. And furthermore, you can save it, arrange it into songs, etc. And we'll talk a little bit more about that further on in the video. Right now, I just want to show you the playback of some of these chords. So as you can see, in order to create a performance or to explore or experiment, you simply touch the chord and you can hear it. Now what I'm going to do is make a small change up here in the KARMA Kronos software. I'm going to take away the keyboard through, and I'm going to enable the KARMA generation function. And this is going to cause the KARMA software to create grooves for us based on the chords that we send it. There's a tremendous wealth of groovability, so to speak, in the KARMA Kronos software that I'm not going to get into in this video. I just want to demonstrate how these two applications work together in order to let you create a groove by choosing chords. So I think we're ready to go. Let's go. Sending the chords from here into here and then onward to the Kronos keyboard. as you can see, very easy to perform and get yourself a lovely little groove going. Any amount of chords, any particular chords you want to arrange in a row, very easily done. Now I want to point out on the left-hand side of the Suggester software, this is an area where we build sections and songs. So you can just drag chords from the right-hand side to the left, put them in a section. You can arrange your sections in order. You can play an individual section, or you can play all the sections to play a song. So here's a section. Pretty cool, huh? I think so, and I hope you do too. So that's a demonstration of two highly advanced pieces of software that can be put to work for you as a musician, as a composer, as someone who's exploring the world of music theory. I think it's great stuff, and I hope you will too. Please feel free to check out the software and launch yourself into musical space. Thanks a lot. Cheers.